Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're applying for scholarships and don't know how to even start your essay or write the whole thing, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to write a scholarship essay step by step. We'll cover how to start strong, how to organize your main points, and how to end with impact. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to write a winning scholarship essay, stress-free. Let's get into it. Let's begin with the hardest part, the introduction. You want to grab attention, show who you are, and set the tone for the rest of the essay. Here are 3 ways to start your scholarship essay. Option 1, tell a personal story. Open with a short, powerful memory that shows your character. Example, at 10 years old, I became the family translator, navigating doctor appointments, bills, and parent-teacher meetings. That responsibility shaped the person I am today. Option 2, ask a powerful question. Make your reader think. Example, what would you do if your dreams felt out of reach because of money? For me, that question became a daily reality and motivation. Option 3, use a strong quote. Just make sure it connects to your story. Example, be the change you wish to see in the world. This quote has guided every decision I've made, especially in my journey toward becoming a teacher. End your intro with a clear thesis, what this essay will highlight and why you're applying. Example, this scholarship would allow me to continue my work in environmental science and bring sustainable solutions to underserved communities. Now that you've got your reader's attention, let's plan the body of your essay. Use the 3-point structure to organize your thoughts. Point 1, your background or challenge. Talk about where you come from and any obstacles you've faced. Point 2, your achievements or growth. What have you done that shows you're hardworking, committed, or passionate? Point 3, your goals. What do you want to achieve with your education? And how will this scholarship help? Tip, use real examples and don't be afraid to be honest. Committees want authenticity. You're almost done. Time to wrap it up with a strong conclusion. In your last paragraph, quickly restate your main points, reconnect with your opening, and leave a final message that shows your gratitude and motivation. Example, from translating for my parents to tutoring other students, every challenge has prepared me for the future I'm building. With your support, I'll be one step closer to making a real difference. Start with a story, organize your thoughts clearly, and end with purpose. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss more easy writing tips. Drop your questions in the comments. And good luck with your scholarship applications. You've got this.